मिस नेपाल 2020 का 21 जना प्रतियोगीहरूको छोटो परिचय।
Namaste, my name is Ayushma Shrestha. I am 19 years old, representing my beautiful place, Chitwan.
मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 1 19 वर्षीय आयुष्मा श्रेष्ठ 5 फिट 4.5 इंच अग्ली छिन् भने उनी चितवन जिल्लाको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दछिन्। आयुष्मा श्रेष्ठलाई भविष्यमा एक सफल लेखिका हुने रहर छ।
Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in agriculture science. Also being a writer, I believe in the power of imagination. If I had to describe myself in 3 words, I would say optimistic, passionate and ambitious.
मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 2 छन् रजनी चौधरी। 21 वर्षकी रजनी चौधरी 6 फिट अग्ली छिन्।
Embrace the glorious mess that you are. Namaste Nepal. I am Rajani Chaudhary, contestant number 2 representing Morang. Currently, I am studying Bachelor of Business Studies in Texas International College. I am undergraduated, but I have completed my cabin crew training from Gita Aviation. I believe in progression rather than perfection. It all starts from you. If you don't respect yourself, no one else does. So, believe in yourself, be the real you, and let the whole world embrace who you truly are.
भविष्यमा एक सफल मोटिभेशनल स्पिकर र फ्लाइट अटेन्डेन्ट बन्ने रहर भएकी रजनी चौधरी मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 2 हुन्। त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 3 सुभाङ्गी खत्री छिन्। 22 वर्षकी सुभाङ्गी खत्री 5 फिट 4.9 इंच अग्ली छिन्। भक्तपुरकी स्थायी बासिन्दा खत्री भविष्यमा एक ओरल सर्जन बन्ने लक्ष्य लिएकी छिन्।
Namaste Nepal. My name is Shubhangi Khatri. I am contestant number 3 and I belong to a small city of great historical and cultural significance, Bhaktapur. Currently, I am a third-year undergraduate student of dentistry in Kathmandu University School of Medical Sciences. Dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Among all the things that my parents have taught me, hard work is paramount. Through hard work, I have been able to achieve the impossible and aspire to achieve more through Miss Nepal.
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 4 आर्निका राजभण्डारी हुन्। आर्निका राजभण्डारी 25 वर्षकी छिन् भने उनको उचाइ 5 फिट 5 इंच छ। काठमाडौँकी स्थायी बासिन्दा आर्निका भविष्यमा एक सफल व्यवसायी बन्न चाहन्छिन्।
Namaste, my name is Arnika Rajbhandari, contestant number 4, born and brought up in Kathmandu, Nepal. I graduated with a Master in Engineering in Information Management from Asian Institute of Technology, Thailand. Recently, I started with a new venture in e-commerce. I love traveling, I love swimming, playing basketball, and I love riding my bike. 3 things to describe me would be that I'm very passionate, I'm an adventurous person, and I'm a sports lover. With the love of sports, I have learned to challenge myself more. I have learned to take part in a competition where I can challenge myself, grow from it, and eventually to become a better version of me.
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 5 हुन् जुनु तोयना। जुनु तोयना 23 वर्षकी छिन् भने उनको उचाइ पनि 5 फिट 5 इंच रहेको छ। भक्तपुरकी स्थायी बासिन्दा जुनु तोयना भविष्यमा एक इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट रोल मोडल बन्न चाहन्छन्।
23 years ago, my parents believed that they were blessed with a gift of God and simplified its name as Junu. Namaste Anjajalapa. This is me, Junu Toyana, originated from a culturally rich point, Bhaktapur. After completing my bachelor's degree in civil engineering, I am now able to provide my service at Lalitpur Metropolitan City due to all my hard work and persistency. With all of my wholeheartedness and an intent set on my mind, I took part in Miss Nepal 2020 to make people around me filled with joy and happiness.
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 6 योजना भट्टराई हुन्। योजना भट्टराई 24 वर्षकी छन् भने उनको उचाइ पनि 5 फिट 5 इंच नै छ। काठमाडौँकी स्थायी बासिन्दा योजना भट्टराई भविष्यमा एक सफल व्यवसायी बन्न चाहन्छिन्।
नमस्कार, म योजना भट्टराई, contestant number 6, काठमाडौँबाट। मेरो बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा I'm a very hardworking, passionate and goal-oriented person. समाजमा केही सकारात्मक परिवर्तन ल्याउने दृढ विश्वास र आशका साथ मैले मिस नेपाल 2020 मा सहभागी हुने निर्णय गरेकी हुँ।
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 7 छिन् निगाता केसी। 25 वर्षकी निगाता केसी 5 फिट 4.5 इंच अग्ली छिन् भने उनी दाङ जिल्लालाई प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दछिन्। निगाता केसी भविष्यमा एसिड प्रहार भएर एसिड पीडितहरूको छालाको उपचार गर्ने एक सफल डर्माटोलोजिस्ट बन्न चाहन्छन्।
I have always believed in a motto throughout my life, that is, hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Namaste Nepal. This is me, Nigata Kesi, 24 years old, young, enthusiastic person from the largest valley of Asia, Dang. Recently, I have completed my MBBS education from Chitwan Medical College. Being a doctor, I'd like to describe myself as extremely hardworking, passionate, and goal-oriented person. So that's how I'd like to describe myself.
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 8 छिन् सिजा चौलागाई। रामेछापकी स्थायी बासिन्दा सिजा चौलागाई 24 वर्षकी छिन् भने उनको उचाइ पनि 4 फिट 4.5 इंच रहेको छ। सिजा चौलागाईको भविष्यमा एक सफल व्यवसायी बन्ने रहर रहेको छ।
Hey everyone, I am Siza Chaulagai, contestant number 8, a fun-loving girl from Ramechhap. It's been a really overwhelming and amazing experience so far being a contestant of Miss Nepal 2020. I refer myself as determined, dedicated and confident girl. Determined to win the race that I put myself into, dedicated to do the best preparation to ace that race, and confident enough to tackle all the hurdles that come along my way. Miss Nepal is a dream, an aim, a goal, and a passion of mine, and I am in full confidence to give my best to it.
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 9 छिन् सजना पन्त। काठमाडौँ स्थायी घर भएकी सजना पन्त 5 फिट 4 इंच अग्ली छिन् भने उनको उमेर 25 वर्ष छ। सजना पन्तलाई भविष्यमा देशकै अर्थमन्त्री बन्ने रहर रहेको छ।
How beautiful is it? Your desire becomes your dream. Your dream becomes your passion, and your passion becomes your reality. As they say, the dreams never sign, but sign are the ones chasing their dream. Namaste Nepal, my name is Sajana Panta, contestant number 9, born and brought up in the heart of Nepal, Kathmandu. I am a semi-qualified chartered accountant, and Miss Nepal is a new journey I have set through.
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 10 छिन् रिया श्रेष्ठ। 5 फिट 7 इंच अग्ली रिया श्रेष्ठ 23 वर्षकी भएकी छिन्। काठमाडौँ स्थायी घर भएकी रिया भविष्यमा एक वातावरण वैज्ञानिक बन्ने लक्ष्य लिएकी छिन्।
Hello everyone, Namaste. I am contestant number 10, Riya Shrestha. I am a 22 years old environmental engineer from Kathmandu, and I aspire to be an atmospheric scientist. If I had to describe myself in 3 words, I would say I am a very outgoing person. I love meeting new people, and I can start a conversation with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Secondly, I would say I am very studious. I have always been academically inclined. And finally, my friends say that I am very reliable, so you can all trust me with all of your secrets.
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 11 छिन् आयशा श्रेष्ठ। काठमाडौँ स्थायी घर भएकी आयशा श्रेष्ठ 5 फिट 8 इंच अग्ली छिन् भने उनको उमेर 24 वर्ष छ। त्यस्तै भविष्यमा उनले एक इन्जिनियरिङ फर्म खोलेर महिलाहरूलाई रोजगार दिने लक्ष्य लिएकी छिन्।
Existence is a perpetual process of learning. Therefore, it justifies my yearning to explore and expand in every possible sphere of life. Namaste, my name is Aisha Shrestha, contestant number 11, and I am from Kathmandu. As a woman and an aesthete, I believe I carry nature within myself. Resilience as the water, unconfined exuberance and free-spirited like the wind, and I possess fire that radiates power and confidence. Here, I stand in front of you, holding a value of giving and making a substantial impact on the lives that surround me.
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 12 छिन् मेरिसा सिंह सुवाल। 24 वर्षकी मेरिसा 5 फिट 6 इंच अग्ली छिन् भने उनी काठमाडौँकी स्थायी बासिन्दा हुन्। मेरिसालाई भविष्यमा एक सोशल एन्टरप्रेन्योर बन्न रहर छ।
Embrace your uniqueness to change and inspire the world. Namaste Nepal, I am Marisa Suwal, contestant number 12 from the incredibly beautiful and diverse city of Kathmandu. I am a BBA graduate with a major in marketing, currently working for a corporate firm. I aspire to be an entrepreneur and create new platforms of work from where I want to empower people by helping them achieve economic independence. I consider myself to be a learner without boundaries, a giver willing to contribute her expertise in any way possible, and ambitious with a persistent mindset. With a heart filled with gratitude, I assure you that in this platform and beyond, I shall do more and become more to better the lives around
त्यस्तै
me.
प्रतियोगी नम्बर 13 छिन् नेहा सरकार। 22 वर्षकी नेहा सरकार 5 फिट 6 इन्च अग्ली छिन् भने उनको स्थायी घर काठमाडौँमा हो। भविष्यमा एक गाइनाकोलोजिस्ट बनेर मातृत्व स्वास्थ्यको क्षेत्रमा काम गर्न उनलाई रहर छ।
Namaste everyone, I am Neha Sarkar, contestant number 13. I am 22-year-old representing our very own capital, Kathmandu Valley. Right now, I am doing my MBBS from Bangladesh, and in the near future, I aspire to be a gynecologist and work in providing safer and positive motherhood experience to all the women of Nepal. Talking about myself, I am quite optimistic, opportunistic and ready to take on any challenge and convert it into my opportunity. Hence, I am quite optimistic I will be able to create a society and hence a country where no woman has to face death in return of giving a life.
त्यस्तै प्रतीक नम्बर 14 छिन् सिमल कनुजिया। काठमाडौँ स्थायी घर भएकी सिमल कनुजिया 5 फिट 4 इन्च अग्ली छिन् भने उनको उमेर 24 वर्ष भएको छ। सिमललाई भविष्यमा एक सफल व्यवसायी बन्ने रहर रहेको छ।
Self-belief and hard work will always take you ahead in life. Namaste everyone, I am Sima Kanojia, contestant number 14, representing Dynamic City, Kathmandu. I am a graduate from Kathmandu University School of Management. Speaking about myself, I am active, enthusiastic and people's person who is looking forward to create a productive impact in the society. I strongly believe every woman has a voice to change this world. And I am so grateful to be in this platform where every woman is not just empowered but celebrated and strengthened in every aspect.
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 15 छिन् सोना श्रेष्ठ। 5 फिट 8 इन्च अग्ली सोना श्रेष्ठको उमेर 24 वर्ष भएको छ। काभ्रे प्लान्चोक स्थायी घर भएकी सोना श्रेष्ठलाई भविष्यमा एक पोलिक्लिनिक खोल्ने रहर रहेको छ।
Hello everyone, my name is Sona Shrestha. I'm 24 years old. I'm contestant number 15. I'm representing my hometown Kavre, a culturally rich district with historical and religious places. I have recently completed my bachelor's in medical lab technology in 2019. Being an optimistic person, I believe that things will always work out the better way, either one way or another. I'm really committed towards what I'm doing, whether it be my job, study, friends or family. I'm enthusiastic towards what I'm involved in and I'm looking forward for a great experience and great memories ahead in our Miss Nepal 2020 journey.
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 16 छिन् रुस्मिता साई। 23 वर्षकी रुस्मिता साई 5 फिट 4.5 इन्च अग्ली छिन् भने उनको स्थायी घर काठमाडौँमा हो। रुस्मितालाई पनि भविष्यमा एक सफल व्यवसायी बन्ने रहर रहेको छ।
How wonderful it would be to see someone smile just because of you. That's exactly why I joined hospitality and now aiming for Miss Nepal 2020. Namaskar everyone, my name is Rushmita Shahi and I am from Kathmandu itself. I am contestant number 16. If I had to describe myself in 3 words, those would be thankful, curious and motivated. Since the world is going through a pandemic, I believe that this is the perfect time, regardless of how everyone has been struggling, to do something positive.
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 17 सुप्रिया श्रेष्ठ हुन्। 5 फिट 4.5 इन्च अग्ली सुप्रिया श्रेष्ठको उमेर 24 वर्ष छ भने उनी काठमाडौँकी स्थायी बासिन्दा हुन्। सुप्रियालाई भविष्यमा एक डिप्लोमेट बन्ने रहर रहेको छ।
No matter where you reach in life, never forget your roots. Namaste, I am contestant number 17, Supriya Shrestha. Diligent, optimistic and enthusiastic would be the words that describe me the best. I aspire to promote programs that help in poverty alleviation and sustainable development, such as micro-entrepreneurship and promote Nepal tourism globally. I would also like to advocate on gender issues. अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय स्तरमा नेपाल र नेपालीको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दै विश्वमा नेपाललाई पहिचान गराउन म यस वर्ष मिस नेपाल प्रतियोगितामा आबद्ध छु।
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 18 नम्रता श्रेष्ठ हुन्। 23 वर्षकी नम्रता श्रेष्ठ 5 फिट 5 इन्च अग्ली छिन्। काठमाडौँकी स्थायी बासिन्दा नम्रता श्रेष्ठलाई भविष्यमा एक प्रभावकारी शिक्षिका बन्ने रहर छ।
Namaste Nepal, I am Namrata Shrestha, a 23 years old sociology student born and brought up in Kathmandu. I'm a person driven by passion, having an attitude of gratitude and is an avid learner. I am an ordinary girl with extraordinary dreams and Miss Nepal is one of them. I have ventured into this journey of leaving a legacy behind me, touching people's lives, leaving a positive impact wherever I go, whoever I meet and with the works I do.
त्यस्तै प्रतियोगी नम्बर 19 सन्ध्या शर्मा छिन्। 24 वर्षकी सन्ध्या शर्मा 5 फिट 4 इन्च अग्ली छिन् भने उनको स्थायी ठेगाना महतोरी हो। सन्ध्या शर्मा भविष्यमा एक खोज वैज्ञानिक बन्ने रहर गर्दछिन्।
Hello everyone, this is Sandhya Sharma, born in Kor Madhes, lap of Divine Goddess Janki Mahatari, and brought up in the capital city, Kathmandu. I am pursuing my Masters in Forestry from Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. I follow my inner moonlight in dark hours. And I think everyone is sent here with some purpose, and so do I. And I want to make my presence count. This is a beauty pageant, and I want people to see beauty in nature as well. I think the life is about working in present and making it better for the future generations. And I'm crazy enough to think I can.
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 20 प्रगति श्रेष्ठ हुन्। 5 फिट 5 इंच अग्ली प्रगति 24 वर्षकी छिन्। काठमाडौँ स्थायी घर भएकी प्रगति भविष्यमा एक सफल मोटिभेशनल स्पिकर र एन्टरप्रेन्योर बन्न चाहन्छन्।
Hi everyone, I am Pragati Shrestha. I am 24 years old. I've just completed my bachelor's in business administration and I aspire to be a successful entrepreneur and a motivational speaker. I am a dreamer, doer and a go-getter. I am a big-time dreamer because I've always believed you should always dream beyond the horizon. But that's when you shine the brightest. Be it taking part in Miss Nepal or be it starting my own venture. I am a big-time doer because I know dreams don't work unless you do. And a go-getter because I have grabbed every opportunity that came in my way and the goal in life is to live a life without any regrets.
त्यस्तै मिस नेपाल 2020 की प्रतियोगी नम्बर 21 आस्तिका श्रेष्ठ हुन्। 25 वर्षकी आस्तिका श्रेष्ठ 5 फिट 4 इंच अग्ली छिन् अनि उनको एम्बिसन चाहिँ मातृ मृत्यु दर कम गर्ने रहेको छ। यी थिए मिस नेपाल 2020 का 21 जना प्रतियोगीहरूको छोटो परिचय। यी प्रतियोगीहरूलाई तपाईले पनि भोट गरेर अघि बढ्न सघाउ पुर्याउन सक्नुहुनेछ। यी प्रतियोगीहरूमध्ये तपाईलाई कसले मिस नेपालको उपाधि जित्न सक्छ जस्तो लाग्छ? कृपया कमेन्ट गर्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।